Today I'm going to show how I can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu and look for the Display mode icon. Make sure that you have this feature deactivated. The next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp and go to the app info. Let's start from notifications, switch it on and go to the additional settings. Now check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on and restrict the data usage. In the next step, make the back of your messages before, choose a clear storage and tap on the delete. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account and check your notifications. In the next way, try to reset your network settings, so go to the system in the settings and choose reset options. Now tap on the mobile network settings and tap on the reset settings button 2 times. You can also try to reset your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And in the last step, try to update your system, so go to the system like before and choose system update. If you have any, install it and check your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.